In a landmark event, Iran officially opened its National Aerospace Park, a showcase of decades of innovation, engineering, and defense capability. The exhibition displays an impressive lineup: advanced ballistic and cruise missiles, state-of-the-art drones, satellite systems, and air defense platforms, all developed by Iranian engineers. From precision-guided munitions to space technology, the park reflects Iran's determination to achieve self-reliance in aerospace and defense industries. Visitors can explore detailed models, watch live demonstrations, and even experience flight simulations, offering a rare inside look at the country's high-tech arsenal. The opening ceremony brought together military leaders, scientists, and the public, celebrating both past achievements and future ambitions. The National Aerospace Park is more than an exhibition. It's a statement. Iran is reaching higher, aiming further, and building for the skies.